Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a city to the built-in weather app on an iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your built-in weather app. So let me open mine. So here is my built-in weather app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this list, this icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this, and I have this screen opened, and after that you have to tap on this search, this icon over here. Let me tap on this, and I have this screen opened. You can see here I have this search box, enter city, zip code or airport location. So you have to enter your city in this search box. So let me enter mine that I would like to add. So I want to add this city, that is London. So you can see I have various options. So just go to your city that you would like to add and then tap on it. So I would like to add this London, this England. So let me tap on this. You can see I have this screen opened, and I can see the weather details of this city. And after that you have to tap on this add this link at the top right. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's now added. So let's add another one. So let me tap on this search icon. Let me enter the city name. So this time it's Rajasthan. Okay, so it's in India. So let me tap on this. So here I have this weather details of this city. You can see, and after that just tap on this add link. Let me tap on this, and you can see it's now added. So that's it. In this way you can easily add a city to the built-in weather app on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.